Hi, my name is Elena Sherman, and I work in symbolic execution research. And recently I came out with this great idea, and I implemented it in Symbolic Pathfinder. And so now I'm trying to find a larger set of programs on which I can perform large experiments. So Robert, who works in MSR research, should help me out to find some programs on GitHub. Hi, Robert. Can you help me out to find some Java programs on the GitHub?
Sure. What programs do you need?
Some Java classes with methods that operate on integers, some conditional statements over integers, and some methods that actually take integer arguments.
Okay, let's try to do a search on GitHub. Let's go to GitHub Search. We'll do an advanced search, and you want conditional statements written in Java. And let's go ahead and set the file extension to Java and see what we get.
Okay, thank you, Robert. But some conditional statements here, not really over the integers. There are so many of them. So let's take a look at them. And how many I have results. So let me try to see if I can find, and some of them actually search is not even a conditional statement here. But let me try to find some more results here, find something interesting. Okay, now I found some programs that I think maybe looks interesting. So let's look up at the code.
Many hours later.
Hi, Elena. Where are you at with your progress?
Well, I'm on a 15th Java class, and I need about 99 more methods to complete.
One eternity later.
Let me show you PAClab, the tool that can do all those steps for you.